Shelly's Cuisine. Hello fellow twisters, it's time to twist today. So today we are going to make spinach bacon quiche. It's really easy. We have to do a part of it on the stove and the rest is just mixing. So these ingredients to the left are what we're going to use after we mix up our spinach with our onions, and those are these ingredients to the right. So we're going to do this on the stove, but the first thing we have to do, you need a 9-inch pie shell, and we have egg white, and you just need to brush the egg white around the sides of your pie dish. And just make sure you get it on all of it. I actually think I might have put a little bit too much. So I did beat my egg white before, but I guess I have too much. Therefore, got it. Okay, so our pie dish is ready, and we're going to start with our wet ingredients. So basically, we have half a cup of spinach, we have a quarter cup of onion, yellow onion, and we have some oil, and we're just going to go ahead, use black pepper and salt, and we're going to fry this up in the frying pan. And so, we'll be back. Okay, we're going to get started. We need to put a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. We need to add our onions. Put the fire on medium-high. Okay, and we need to just let this we need to add our frozen spinach. So you only need about half a cup of spinach, so you don't need that much. And we always put Grey Poupon mustard. You know I love Grey Poupon mustard, not a lot, just a little bit for taste, a little bit for flavor, a little bit of sea salt, and definitely we need some black pepper. Can't make quiche without black pepper. Okay. And so it's that simple. I like onions, so I have a lot of onions. You can cut back on the onions if you like. And so basically we just want to combine and have this mixture just sauteed together. Okay, well, guess what? That's it. Okay, now we sauteed our spinach and onions and we're ready to get going. So, first thing we want to do, we had 4 slices of bacon. It's important that you make sure your bacon is well. You are going to crumble your bacon and you're going to put it in the bottom of the pie dish. Okay, so, kind of spread it around evenly, and so that's good. All right, next thing we're going to do, we're going to start off with our eggs. These are 4 eggs, okay? And please remember to take the eye out of the egg, okay? So these are 4 eggs, and we're going to have to beat this a little bit. Okay, 4 eggs. So, it's not a hard dish to make, it's pretty easy. You saw what we had to do on the stove. It was pretty easy. Okay, so we want to whisk the egg together before we come with the hot spinach. Okay, so We want to put a little sea salt, whatever, you know, we don't want eggs that don't have any taste, right? Okay, we want black pepper. I love the black pepper. All right, and we need salt, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, okay? We need 1 cup of half and half, okay? So we'll get that going. Feel that that's well mixed. And we need cheese. You need 2 cups of Swiss cheese, and you have to shred it. A good way to shred the cheese so that you don't have to do it by hand is to put it in a food processor using the shredder blade. Okay? All right, there's our 2 cups of cheese. Okay. So we're just going to combine this. Okay. And we are now going to put our spinach. Okay, so here's our spinach, and this is our mixture with our cheese. Try to buy a good cheese, because that's important. Good quality cheese. Put a little bit of herbe de Provence. You can put parsley. Okay, well, guess what, guys? Our quiche is almost finished, because all we have to do now is pour it in the pie dish. Okay, we are going to smooth that out. And we are going to bake at 375 for 40 minutes. Again, according to your oven, you'll bake it until it's done. Okay, so we'll be back after we finish baking. We're back, and our bacon spinach quiche is completed. So what's left to do? It's time to taste. Whoop, I guess lost some of my crust. There you go. It's time to taste. Absolutely delicious. The flavors with that mustard, nice little taste. Thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine. Thank you for making bacon spinach quiche with us today. Join us next week to find out what we will twist next.